Today is a very special day dahil meron tayong package na darating. At meron din akong package na kukunin mamaya. So, tara. So, let's get started. Let's open this box. So thank you guys, all the stuff from Amazon. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for sponsoring this camera. No, hindi ito to. It's not sponsored by Canon, nor the Amazon. Pinili ko to. I bought this by myself, my own money. So inside the box, we have the Canon m50. And of course, we also have, so wag mo na yan. Lagyan mo dyan. So we have the Canon m50. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito lang kaliit yung nalagyan. So let's open this. So this is my first mirrorless camera, and this is my first Canon camera. So we have some paperwork from Canon, the manual. I hope we have the SD card. Sana meron. I hope. We have this Canon strap. What do we have here? We have this cable para sa ating charger. And of course, the charger itself. So, buksan natin. Labas natin. So, this is the charger. And this is the cable for your charging. Again, this is the strap. And of course, the battery. This battery is the LPE12. And of course, the camera itself. Here it is. Let's open this guy. So this is the Canon m50. Alright. Wow. Look how small this is. So this is my first Canon camera. And this will be my primary camera when I will do my vlog. And of course we have here the lens. So this is the kit lens. I think this is 1445 millimeter. And this is the lens. This is the kit lens, which is 1545 millimeter with image stabilizer. So subukan natin. This is the LCD screen na pwede nyo i-flip na ganyan. So pag nagbablog kayo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ENM and you're watching ENM. So ayan, pwede mo siyang i-ganyan. Ganyan. Ang gaan lang pala nito. So let's put the lens. We just need to put it like this, and that's it. So this is our Canon M50. So the good thing about this camera is it has a mic jack for your microphone. It has built-in NFC, 3-inch touchscreen, and of course this is a mirrorless camera. We have the flash here. So wala tayong memory card, so hindi ko masusubukan. Hanip na yan. Sinuko ako sa laban. Mag-alas 2 pa lang. Hindi pa nakakatapos. Sumuko na. Oh. Change the battery pack. Ayan o. Oh. Matindi. Buti may baon tayong iPhone.